Good evening. I am Prasad Seshti. This is my assignment for NoSQL CIA3 22112031. I have created a NoSQL app with a front end based on the Pokémon daycare registry. Of course, it's based on a video game, but it still has its own complexities. So in this first, I will show you the front end, which I will enter using Flask. As you can see, the front page has already been designed with CSS, and I have three options: add a Pokemon, view the gallery of the Pokemons present, or battle. Okay, as you can see, it's the welcome to the Pokemon daycare registry, and I can add any Pokemon that may enter. So I'll have the name Anirudh, which is a Pokemon, and I can add any level. So I'll just be adding 23. A picture which you require URL for can be like this, and its type is technically a bug type. So I can submit it. As you can see, it's been submitted, and the way I can see it is view gallery. These are all Pokemons I've added in the past, and as you can see, here's the one that I added just now. Anirudh, level 23, bug type, and I can also remove it whenever I want. As you can see, the image is there too. These are all Pokemons I've added in throughout the past. And there's also another option. Since Pokemon gallery is right here, I'll show you the option of battle. Battle is quite simple. It's where I just compare the two Pokemons based on level and type. Okay, so I'll be fighting Anirudh against Togepi, right? And based on this, it shows that Anirudh, a bug Pokemon level 23, has won against the fairy Pokemon level 21, and it says it right here. Okay, now I can easily go back, and I can still view the gallery again. As you can see, you may look at the Pokemon again. And now I will explain to you the code. As you can see, I will now show you the code. Now, I've made this using Flask and also Mongo client, which I can only run if I'm having a Mongo database on the background. So first off, I have the Mongo client server and the database, which is Pokemon_DB, collection, which is Pokemons, and then I also have a variable, which is a list of all the Pokemon types that are present. I may have shown you through some of the drop boxes I mentioned in the add a Pokemon thing. Alright, so first off, there's the function of add a Pokemon, which allows me to create the name, level, insert a URL for a picture, and also just choose a type from the Dropbox, which will have all these things, as you can see. Right? And then it will be added into the Pokemon dictionary, which has everything defined in key item pairs. Right? And then there's the gallery. The gallery basically just shows me the entire list. As you can see, it's connected to gallery.html. Right? And then there's also the battle, which shows me it just compares both the Pokemons, right? It'll just request one Pokemon based on a Dropbox and another Pokemon based on a Dropbox, right? And then after that, it'll show me the name, and then it'll choose based on who has the better level. If the result is equal, it'll show me both Pokemon are equal level. This one wins by luck. It'll show me like that, right? Otherwise, it'll show me this one wins if one is better than the other, and the other one wins if the other is better than the one. Okay, and this is the entire code. Now I'll show you the index.html. I don't have to go through the CSS or anything like that because these are mostly styling options, right? I've created a comment just in case anything happens. Okay, so it does everything like this: add a Pokemon, which allows me to add, and then view gallery and then battle, which will be in the front page. You've seen it before, right? And then this is the gallery. The gallery shows me a card of all the Pokemons that have been added in the past, right? And then there's also add Pokemon, which allows me to add a Pokemon based on name, level, picture, and type. Picture is always the URL. I managed to do it I got one in beforehand just so I can demonstrate to you how the picture is added to it. Okay, and now there's battle. Battle basically, again, it compares both Pokemon and it'll choose what Pokemon based on the Pokemon database. Otherwise, they wouldn't be a drop-down box, right? And it'll just show me Pokemon 1, Pokemon 2. It's already defined. And then battle result is much easier. Basically, it just shows me this one won or this one won, right? It'll show me the level as well. And the CSS is very easy. This all has A and A hover, and the gallery it has cards and lot of card styling and all that, and it's very simple. right? I'll show you like what the cards can do, and like there's also the remove function, right? Where is it? Ah, yes, the remove function. Okay, I'll show that to you in a while. Like I forgot to show you like the remove function. Everything has a remove function, so I can just remove Gengar, which is a ghost type to a level 12, and also his image is here, villainous. I can remove him just like that. It's gone. Now there's only 3. Right? There's only a like there's only columns applied to like when there's only 2. So it creates some symmetry, and also it like arranges it very well. Right? Now that I've explained all this, I should, as you can see, I have a Mongo server running in the background. Like I finally downloaded after a long time, and it still works. If I have this run, like the website only runs only if I have this running in the background. If I don't, then it doesn't work, which is why this is very crucial for the entire process. And that concludes the presentation on my assignment. Now that is all there is, because like it's a bit simple assignment. So thank you, sincerely. Trisha out.